Hello. Here are some simple, everyday English conversations. Let's start. Meeting a new neighbor. Hello, are you my new neighbor?
Yes, I just moved in yesterday. I am Alex.
Nice to meet you, Alex. I'm Sarah. I live in apartment 4B.
Nice to meet you too. I'm in apartment 4C, next to you.
Welcome to the building. Do you like it here?
Yes, it seems very nice and quiet.
It is. Everyone is friendly. Where are you from?
I am from Boston. I moved here for my new job.
Oh, what do you do?
I am a teacher. I teach math at the high school.
That is wonderful. I work at the hospital. I am a nurse.
Very nice. Is there a supermarket near here?
Yes, on Oak Street. It is just 5 minutes away.
Good to know. What about restaurants?
There are many. The Italian place on the corner is very good.
I love Italian food.
Me too. We should go together sometime.
That sounds great. Here is my phone number.
Perfect. Call me if you need anything.
Thank you, Sarah. You are very kind.
Making plans with a friend. Hi, Alex. What are you doing on Saturday?
Hi, Sarah. I am free all day. Do you have any plans?
I want to go to the beach. Do you want to come?
That sounds fun. What time?
How about 10 in the morning? We can spend the whole day there.
Perfect. Should I bring anything?
Yes, bring a towel and sunscreen. I will bring food.
Great. I can bring drinks and snacks too.
Wonderful. What if the weather is bad?
Then we can go to the movies instead.
Good idea. There is a new comedy at the cinema.
I want to see that. Where should we meet?
Let us meet at the bus stop near my house.
Okay, which bus goes to the beach?
Bus number 7. It goes directly there.
Perfect. How much is the ticket?
$3 each way.
Not expensive. Should we invite more friends?
Yes, let us ask Tom and Maria.
Good idea. I will call Tom tonight.
And I will text Maria. This will be so much fun.
I agree. I cannot wait for Saturday.
Me too. See you then.
Asking for directions.
Excuse me, can you help me? I am looking for the train station.
Of course. The train station is about 10 minutes from here.
How do I get there?
Walk straight on this street for 3 blocks.
Okay, 3 blocks straight. Then what?
Then turn left at the big clock tower.
Turn left at the clock tower. Got it.
After that, walk 2 more blocks. The station is on your right.
On the right side? Is it a big building?
Yes, very big. It has a blue sign that says Central Station.
I understand. Can I take a bus there instead?
Yes, bus number 15 goes directly to the station.
Where is the bus stop?
Right there, across the street. You can see the sign.
Oh yes, I see it. How much is the bus ticket?
$2. You can pay the driver.
Perfect. How often does the bus come?
Every 10 minutes.
Great. That is very convenient. Thank you so much for your help.
You are very welcome. Have a safe trip.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye. At the pharmacy. Hello, I need some medicine for a headache.
Good afternoon. Do you have a prescription from your doctor?
No, I just need something for pain. What do you recommend?
We have several options. This one is very popular and works well.
How many should I take?
Take 2 tablets every 6 hours. Do not take more than 8 tablets in one day.
I understand. Can I take them with food?
Yes, it is better to take them with food or milk.
Good to know. How much does it cost?
This bottle has 20 tablets and costs $12.
Okay, I will take it. Do you have anything for a cough too?
Yes, we have cough syrup and cough drops. Which do you prefer?
The cough drops, please. My throat is a little sore.
These are good. They have honey and lemon flavor.
Perfect. How often should I use them?
You can take one every 2 hours as needed.
Great. I will take both items, please.
Sure, that is $12 for the pain medicine and $8 for the cough drops. $20 total.
Here is $20.
Thank you. Do you need a bag?
Yes, please. Oh, one question. Do you deliver medicine to homes?
Yes, we do. For orders over $30, delivery is free.
That is very convenient. Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Feel better soon.
At a restaurant. Good evening. Do you have a table for 2 people?
Good evening. Yes, we do. Would you like to sit inside or on the patio?
The patio, please. The weather is beautiful tonight.
Excellent choice. Follow me, please. Here is your table.
Thank you. This view is wonderful.
I'm glad you like it. Here are the menus. Can I start you with some drinks?
Yes, I would like water with lemon, please.
Of course. Are you ready to order food or do you need more time?
I need a few minutes, please.
No problem. Take your time. I will bring your water.
Thank you. What do you recommend today?
The grilled salmon is very popular. We also have a special pasta dish tonight.
Is the salmon spicy?
No, it is mild with herbs and lemon. Very fresh and light.
That sounds delicious. I will have that.
Excellent. It comes with vegetables and rice. Is that okay?
Perfect. Can I also have a small salad first?
Of course. What dressing would you like?
Italian dressing, please.
Great. I will put your order in now.
Thank you. How long will it take?
About 20 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Enjoy your meal.
At the bank.
Hello, I want to open a new bank account.
Good morning. I can help you with that. What type of account do you need?
What types do you have?
We have checking accounts for daily use and savings accounts for saving money.
What is the difference?
A checking account is for paying bills and shopping. A savings account earns interest on your money.
I see. Can I open both?
Yes, many people have both types.
Okay, I will open both. What do I need?
I need your ID and proof of address, like a phone bill or rent agreement.
I have my passport and a phone bill. Is that okay?
Perfect. That is everything I need. Do you want to deposit money today?
Yes, I have $300.
Good. Please fill out these forms with your information.
Okay. Are there any fees for these accounts?
The checking account has a $5 monthly fee. The savings account is free.
Can I avoid the checking account fee?
Yes, keep at least $1,000 in the account.
I understand. When will I get my bank card?
In about 1 week, we will mail it to your address.
Great. Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Welcome to our bank.
At the doctor's office. Good afternoon. I have an appointment at 3 o'clock.
Good afternoon. What is your name, please?
Sarah Johnson.
Let me check. Yes, I see your name here. Please sit down. The doctor will see you in about 10 minutes.
Thank you. Can I ask you something?
Of course. What is it?
Do I need to fill out any forms?
Yes, please. Fill out this form. It asks about your health history and current problems.
Okay, I can do that. Do you need my insurance card?
Yes, please. I need to make a copy.
Here it is. Is my address still correct?
Let me see. Yes, it is still 456 Main Street.
Good. My phone number is also the same.
Perfect. Everything looks correct. Would you like some water while you wait?
Yes, please. That would be nice.
Here you go. The doctor will call you soon.
Thank you. Oh, one more question. What are your office hours?
We are open Monday to Friday, 8 to 5.
And if I need help on the weekend?
For emergencies, go to the hospital. For other things, call us on Monday.
I understand. Thank you.
You are welcome.
At the coffee shop. Good morning. I would like a coffee, please.
Good morning. What size do you want? Small, medium, or large?
Medium is good. Can I have milk and sugar?
Of course. How many sugars?
2 sugars, please. Oh, do you have any food?
Yes, we have muffins, cookies, and sandwiches today.
The muffins look delicious. I will take a blueberry muffin.
Great choice. So 1 medium coffee with milk and 2 sugars, and 1 blueberry muffin. That is $6.
Here is $10.
Thank you. Here is your change, $4. Your order will be ready in 3 minutes.
Thank you. Can I sit by the window?
Yes, of course. That table is free.
Perfect. Do you have Wi-Fi here?
Yes, the password is on the wall behind you.
Thank you so much. You are very helpful.
You are welcome. Enjoy your coffee and muffin.
I will. Have a nice day.
You too.